Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, and you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as Reboot, Wipe Data, Connect with MIAssistant and Safe mode. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option Reboot, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. Then reboot to system, and then it will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.